Here we have the battery operated cassetted roof light blind. This is the charger cable and remote control. These are the brackets supplied with the blind. This is the pair of side channels. And this is the head box. This frame here is acting as the reveal of your roof light. So first of all, to bring the head box into the reveal, we'll start by fitting one end before the other. Preferably I fit the end with the fabric in. We'll need 2 screws on each side of the blind. I'm only putting 1 screw in for this video. Once one side of the head box is secure, we drag the head box to the other end of the reveal, and again 2 screws to secure the head box. As you pull it across, the fabric will come with it. The next step is to open the cover plate. To do this, just remove the 2 screws that secure it in place and gently prise the cover off the box. To wake the motor up, we need to press the program button on the motor and hold it until the blind shunts 3 times. Next, we program the remote to the blind. Just press and hold the up and down buttons until the blind shunts again. Use the up arrow to take the blind to the close limit in order to set this limit. Once the blind is in the desired position, press the down button and the my button together, and the blind will automatically start opening. Before the blind reaches the end limit, press the my button to stop the blind. Adjust the blind to your desired position and then press the my and up arrow on the remote. The blind will begin moving. Stop the blind using the my button on the remote, and again press and hold the my button and the blind will shunt. Next, turn the remote over and briefly press the program button on the back. This will make the blind shunt. The blind's limits have now been fully set. You can check this by checking the top and bottom limits by letting the blind roll to the top limit and the bottom limit. With the blind in the open position, we can now start installing the side channels. As you can see in the video, pull the tapes away from the edge of the reveal and squeeze the side channel into position. Ensure the side channel is fitted correctly prior to fixing into the reveal. Repeat this for the other side channel. Once both side channels are in place, secure the side channel to the reveal with a screw through the side channel as shown in the video. Now we can place the cover plate back onto the blind, ensuring that it is put on squarely as it will jam if not. Put the retaining screws back onto the blind. The installation of the blind is now complete.